Whooping cough continues to be a concern in our county, where the health department reports 476 confirmed cases this year. But there is good news about how to get free or low-cost vaccinations. The Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department is recommending any person older than age 11 get a Tdap booster shot to protect themselves and young children against whooping cough. 8 babies in our county have been hospitalized this year.
If a cold's going on for several weeks, particularly if there's a cough, you need to be talking to a medical provider and just thinking about pertussis treatment. But really, we want to emphasize prevention, make sure that you get the vaccination. And also think about, again, the focus on protecting the very, very youngest and most vulnerable.
The contagious disease is still going strong, with 20 cases reported last week. That's the amount we would normally see in a half a year. The health department website has a list of where to get free and low-cost vaccinations for kids and adults.
For childhood immunizations, we actually have free vaccine available through providers through age 18. If they go to the Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department, we have a calendar posted on our website, or talk to their medical provider. The health department distributes free vaccine to providers throughout the community.